Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Windows 11 and you are receiving this error that is 0xC1900101. So if you are receiving this error message when installing Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to go ahead and fix this, make a right click on the start menu and then open Device Manager. Now in Device Manager, scroll down. Here you can see System Devices, expand System Devices. Now once you expand System Devices, under System Devices, you will find this entry that is ASUS System Control Interface V3. So if you find it, make a right click, then click on uninstall. So this is just an example. I don't have it, but if you see this entry that is ASUS System Control Interface V3, make a right click and then click on uninstall. Now few users have also uninstalled MyASUS app. So if you have MyASUS app installed in computer, uninstall it. Now if you have Screen Expert software, then uninstall it. Now after you uninstall this driver and once you uninstall ASUS application, then you have to go ahead and stop it from downloading it automatically. So when you uninstall it, so Windows Update may install these drivers automatically once again. So you have to be quick enough to stop the update. For this, make a right click on the start menu and then click on System. Now under related settings over here, you can see the option which says Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now under the Hardware tab, go to Hardware tab and then click on Device Installation Settings. Now over here, you will see the option which says, do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your device? Select no, save changes, okay. Now you can go ahead and try to install Windows 11. So you can go ahead and select no before you uninstall it or right after you uninstall ASUS drivers and application. Just go ahead and select no for automatic download and then now you can install Windows 11. Now few users have also disconnected the internet connection during the installation of Windows 11. So during the installation, you can disconnect the internet and that should go ahead and also fix the error message. So one of the steps should definitely help you to install Windows 11 on your computer without this error message. Now after you have installed Windows 11 on your computer, make a right click on the start menu once again and then go to System. Now click on Advanced System Settings over here. Go to Hardware tab once again, click on Device Installation Settings once again, and then this no would be selected over here. So you have to go ahead and select yes this time. Then click on Save Changes. Okay. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.